The India that we see today is a result of the efforts and hard work and relentless struggle of a lot of people, including Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Hello everyone, I welcome you to another video by Legacy IAS where we are going to talk about this man, the Iron Man of India, and how he built up what we see today as India and what we celebrate 75 years of India's independence. This particular country, the structure it is that is being maintained by a lot of people put together, but something that was the creation of the Iron Man of India, and he's none other than Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. As we speak today on 31st of October, India is celebrating, has been celebrating for quite some years, the National Unity Day in memory of the birth of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This particular day that we see is actually celebrated as the Rashtriya Ekta Diwas or the National Unity Day in order to pay tribute to our freedom fighter Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who had been taking a lot of efforts towards unifying the entire country, specifically the princely states of India, where he brought in together the different princely states either through negotiation, through use of force, through tactical efforts, and all creating the political structure of India that we see today. He was actually known for, because of these reasons, as a unifier of India. He was the one who actually envisioned and coined the slogan of Ek Bharat and Shresht Bharat. That is, one country, one citizenship, a higher dignified status that you're associating with this particular country. All right, we are kind of having this unity in diversity through the efforts of such men and the vision of such men, because of which, in spite of being multilingual, multi-religious, multicultural, multi-ethnic, we still associate ourselves towards our allegiance to one country. And that is one of a major effort that was taken by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for his commitment to national integration of the newly independent country. He is referred to as the Iron Man of India. Now, about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, if we get to know a little more, we are basically knowing him for his immense amount of leadership skills, his tacticalness, his tactic and his leadership, his diplomatic skills, the way in which he led the country and integrated the princely states, which were so many, which were scattered and were wanting separate statehood. All right, and also after the India-Pakistan war, the way in which our country gotten together, a lot of these efforts were made by this one man. He was also the country's first home minister in managing the affairs, the domestic affairs of the country, which was a major task. He was also awarded the highest civilian award of the country in 1991 as the Bharat Ratna Award. He was awarded as the title of Sardar. This title was given to him by the women of Bardoli. This title was referred to as the chief and was used before his name all throughout. He is actually remembered as the patron saint of the Indian civil servants. Now, all you aspirants preparing for the UPSC examination, of course, have to clear the examination but have this dream of reaching the Lal Bahadur Shastri Academy in Mussoorie. So, he also laid the foundation for the All India Services system. In fact, the National Police Academy is also named after him. So his characteristics are given so much of importance in India's administrative system, in India's domestic system, that he holds an extremely important place in India's history. And in present day, we are remembering him by celebrating the Unity Day, which started by on 31st of October 2014, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated this particular day and paid tribute to Sardar Patel. He also is being associated so much with the internal affairs and home affairs that the Ministry of Home Affairs actually made a statement that this according a particular day to remembering Sardar Patel is only going to provide an opportunity to reaffirm the strength and the resilience that this nation has to withstand any kind of threats that are being posed to India's unity, integrity, and security. So, this day will just kind of remind us to put in our strengths together and ensure that there is unity, diversity, unity, integrity, and also security in the for the entire country. So, in that sense, the Home Affairs has been very, very congratulative of this particular effort. We also have one of the tallest statues being put up in memory of this person. Now, as far as this particular day, the celebration of the day is concerned, it is actually, as far as 2022 is concerned, it is going to be witnessed by marathon races, all right, which will be focusing on the theme of national unity, which will be focusing on the idea, the basic idea of national unity. A lot of famous personalities, including sportsperson, are expected to be called as chief guests, and who will highlight further the importance of unity that needs to be cherished among every citizen of this country. There is also a very important award that is being associated with this particular day, which is called the Sardar Patel National Unity Award. It is actually the highest civilian award in the country, specifically for those who've contributed in the field of unity and integrity of the country. This particular award seeks to recognize all the contributions, all the important contributions that have been made in this direction and have helped India stay a strong and unified nation. All right, so on 31st of October, these particular awards are being recognized after the Ministry of Home Affairs receives nominations online. So this particular day is a day to remind us, to unite us rather, on this single citizenship, on the identity of being an Indian, having a unifying country, keeping their territorial integrity in place, securing the country, and of course, Ek Bharat and Shresht Bharat. A lot of such activities relating to this particular theme has been organized on a couple of years of late, and it has been immensely successfully treated throughout the country. So I hope you've enjoyed this discussion with us. If you have liked this particular video regarding Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, let us know by liking the particular video and also sharing it with those who don't know about the National Unity Day. Keep subscribing us for more such videos by Legacy Eye.